Welcome to the world of learning Python programming. So our first step is to download and install the Python programming. So go to the any browser and just search Python download in the Google Chrome, and you will be go to this page python.org/downloads, and here you need to go to the Windows downloads and click on this for your operating system, Windows or Mac OS or other. So just download and install the python.exe file, and second step will be we need to install the IDE, integrated development environment, that is Visual Studio Code that we will use. So just search download Visual Studio Code, and you will be go to this page code.visualstudio.com/download, and you will be download the installer file as per your system, as per your OS, Windows, Mac or Linux. Replit. So Replit is a online platform where you can just sign up and you can go to the start coding without installing any coding program. But I would like to prefer to have a download of Python and Visual Studio Code in order to have proper understanding with in-depth saving of the course for a longer period of time. So once you have downloaded the .exe file of Python, what you need to do? You need to run that file as an administrator, and you need to checkbox these two options: add python.exe to path and use admin privileges, and click on custom installation. So once you will be click on custom installation, here you will be you have to check all the dialog box or all the options and click on next, and then after here make sure you need to turn on option install Python 3.11 version for all users, so that it will be installed the Python version for all the users, and remaining these four options you can turn on and click on install. So once our Python will be installed, just click on close, so that Python will be installed complete. Now I want to show you from where you can check whether the Python has been installed or not. So in the CMD you can type Python space hyphen version, and you will be see the Python version. I will show you. And next step is to install our VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. So run the exe file and click on I accept agreement and click on next, and turn on all the option, click on next, click on install. So once the VS Code has been installed, you can verify whether the VS Code has been installed or not by right clicking on any folder, and you will be see this option open with code. I will show you from where you can check all these options. Open the VS Code, and here you need to go to the extension tab and search for the Python, and you need to download and install the Python installer for the VS Code, so that you will be able to run the Python code in VS Code. So now next let me see how to check whether the which Python version has been installed in our PC. So for this you can go to the start menu and type CMD. You can do the right click here and run as administrator, and here you can check Python space hyphen or dash and just type version, so that you will be able to see that Python 3.12.4 version has been installed in my PC. You can also check whether which version has been installed. You can also write Python enter, and you will be see more information related to Python as well by doing this. So now if VS Code has been installed, and you will be go to any folder, and if you do the right click on that folder, and in Windows 11 you can click on show more option. Here you will be see an option open with code. That means Visual Studio Code has been installed in your PC and you can edit your code in Visual Studio Code.